we're here at day 2, DCentral here in Austin, Texas. Some more of the team has arrived today and we're getting more people in tomorrow. We're super excited for the rest of the week, but let's get into what's happening today inside of DCentral.
Something we didn't talk about yesterday are really these cool thought leaders and installations that they have here. DCentral is supposedly this smaller event that precedes the Consensus conference, but they still managed to bring in some really great thought leaders from different ecosystems and areas of the industry. We saw talks on governance, things on DeFi, layer 1 scaling, NFTs, and all these other different kind of sectors that was just super cool. On top of that, there were these fun installations. They had the bull rides, I saw Dogecoin, like Tesla car all decked out, and then there was also like NFT art galleries. I really loved some of the artwork that we saw there and the creative energy that's here. Once again, just kind of brings everything back to the culture of Web3, which obviously we love.
Hey, Jesse here from the Telos Core Developers, and today is Wednesday here at DCentral. We've had a great day so far. I was up on stage in front of everybody talking about our EVM, how it's the fastest EVM out there, how we built it, just a bit about Telos in general and what we've done.
Please join me in welcoming to the stage, Jesse Schulman.
So how do you build the fastest EVM? Well, the way we did it was we started with the fastest blockchain out there, and then we added EVM.
We've made some really great contacts talking to all sorts of apps. Some really well-known apps are here, and everybody's super friendly and receptive to learning about Telos. And everybody sees our name because we got it all over the place here, and we've got a bunch of people meeting all sorts of apps. So it's been a really great experience, lots of fun. Weather's a little hot, about 100 and some degrees outside, but we're all in the AC and really enjoying ourselves.
Just wrapping up day 2 at DCentral. Tons of meetings about Telos. Really excited about all the potential partners we talked to. A lot of exciting things happening in the space considering we're in a bear market. Based from other conferences I've been to, I mean, not to say anything negative, but the amount of people here open for collaboration and really trying to, grow the ecosystem has been super inspiring. So it's definitely been a shift from the last couple of conferences I've been to, and it's got me really excited about the future.
DCentral is over. We had so many great talks here at the Telos stand, met so many new people, got to know Telos. We got this awesome stand here, we got like the pillars outside, everybody's been talking to us, and it's just been a great venue, and I'm looking forward to Consensus. See you guys there.
Hey guys, it's Thomas from Telos Culture. We've had an amazing second day here at DCentral in Austin, Texas, our very first event in the Telos Texas Tour. Yeah, it's my first day here and I've had an absolute blast learning about all things NFT communities, DeFi, and so much more. It's just been a great time and we're excited to keep things going with Consensus tomorrow. Make sure you stop by the Telos world in general. Stop by and check out the Telos booth. You're gonna be there. Hit us up. Yeah, good to see you guys and we'll see you soon.